Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Kucoin. For that, you just have to simply come to your Kucoin account, and if you don't have it, you can even use the link that is given in the description in order to get extra rewards on the platform and save some amount on the trading fees. Now, once you are on Kucoin, you just have to use the search bar in the top, and here you need to simply search for XRP. Once you type XRP in the search bar, it will show you all of the pairs for XRP, but the most popular one is XRP/USDT. So you need to make sure that you have some USDT in your account for this transaction. Now here you need to tap on the buy option in the bottom, and here you just have to select the limit order. Now you need to enter the amount at which you want to buy XRP. So you can see the XRP price fluctuation in the left hand section. So this will help you to decide at what price you want to purchase it. So you need to enter the amount over here. Now let's say you want to purchase XRP on the same price as it is right now. For that, you just have to simply tap on this drop down menu and select the market price. So after selecting it, you just have to simply enter the amount and click on the buy XRP option. But in my opinion, you should select the limit order and you can enter your own amount here. Now here you need to enter the amount of XRP that you want to purchase, or you can even select the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase XRP. Once you are done, you need to press the buy XRP option, and then your order will be placed and it will come in the open orders if the amount that you have entered is more or less than the current price. But if you have entered the same price as it is right now, your order will be placed immediately and you will get your XRP in your Kucoin account. In order to view that, you can even tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner, and in your funding wallet you will be able to see it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.